Hi everyone. Thanks for returning and thanks for your patience since it took me a while to upload the next video. So I wanted to figure out the easiest way to present the information and using software that was readily available and that most people already were familiar with. So I decided to go with Microsoft Word. The first video we showed you how to wrap with printer paper, and now we're going to show you how to figure out the measurements that you need to use to set up your templates in Microsoft Word to build your templates for your soap labels. So this is apparently not the bar that we used in the first video because we used green paper, but I marked it up so much trying to get the information right that I decided to just rewrap it using this white paper since I had already pre-cut it. And all you're going to do is mark the faces of your soap bar. So the front, the sides, you want to make sure that the sides can easily be read when the bar is laying flat, just in case it's going to be displayed that way, and then the back. I'll bring you back once I've opened it up so you can see what the template will look like before we build it on screen. Okay, we're back. So all you need is a ruler lined up with the edge of your label, and you need something to mark, and you're just going to mark wherever you see a fold, just a small mark, and then we'll come back and measure out the dimensions. And you'll also need to know the dimensions of this space across the width of your bar. So I'll bring you right back once I get those dimensions worked out. Each section has been measured so for the width of the column. So these are going to be the columns once we set up the template. So these circles represent the width of your columns that you're going to set up in Microsoft Word. The width of this part is 2¼ inches, 2.25 inches. So the next time I bring you back, we'll be on screen and we'll be setting up our templates in the Microsoft Office application.